Ka election jet na mikmat chiteng samoy shaka yeng darwar thawan ga jila meklaya na Camberkre constituency ka long ka bayaj baj guarantee ka chingpoy ginong thebut boro ka kot ya khandai pho point prap 100%. Na du ka porman step khalai trek na wieng ar jap saw kinong thebut klemi pajba ban yang lan ban yo thep ya laki but ha ki polling station ba pher kani ka constituency. UBDR Tiwari, Chief Electoral Officer ke Jala, ula pentip bah ke election MLA arjar fly, ke cingpoi ginong thebut ke constituency kalong kendai 4%. Ula itu bah kini kenti gidon live fly jar, praf rangut ginong thebut, bakentup ya khandru jar ars pa nyungut ki kentai, bat khandru jar praspa prapoi ngut ki senrang, bak cing thebut kelas dang ladu ke por nyo buji mestap, hadu unri buji janmiet, habaro san puai teli ki polling station. Kita nadu unrungut ki ketong ki bekhun dengan election siteng semoy bakentop ki kurim menteri rangba kajala korat ki sangma ke Dr. Mehtap Chandi E Sangma kum kertong ke NPP ujingjang M Marak ke Kongres ke Sadiarani Sangma jong ke AITC baru Bernard N Marak jong ke BJP arngut ki dei ki kertong shimet bakentop ki sengkrabat M Marak bud Cherry E Sangma yakni ki election lah ban penlong nomor ke jing E no kamu nongelam ke Kongres usaleng E Sangma Bolshajet kum MP Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Constituency. Yaki bot chung ani election nyo ka arfly trek na wieng arjar apsaw.
The by-election of 56 Gambegri Assembly Constituency was scheduled today and voting timing was from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Total number of voters were 33,088 out of which 16,881 male and 16,207 female voters. We have distributed 54 number of those for home voting, and out of that 32 have chosen home voting option. We have total 3 service voters in the assembly constituency. Today polling went very peaceful. Mock poll also completed well within time, and polling started in time. So bi-hourly polling report what we received. So from we keep on getting, and so by 11 a.m. there were 37.5%. By 1 p.m. it was 49.3%. By 3 p.m. it was 67.8%. And by 5:30 the report which we received, it was 80.91%. But the figures are keep on coming as the polling was ongoing in few polling stations, and all the figures have to be properly compiled. So by 6 p.m. the report what we received around, so total 90.84% in all the 51 PS. These are the voting figures what we received till time. They yet to have compile and match with the presiding officer diary and everything. So we can't rule out little bit variation over that. But more or less whatever report till time we received, so that is yet 90.84% till time. So there were the 51 polling station in the Gambegri. There were no polling station which identifies as critical or vulnerable. We did webcasting in all 51 polling stations, but there were some network shadow areas. We arranged MPRO and all the alternate measures. Micro observers have been deployed, and 12 sector magistrates, sector officers and 4 zonal magistrates were also been deployed. The teams were there for the all round the clock monitoring, and entire election went very peacefully. And I thank all the voters. They have come forward and casted their vote in the more than 90%. It is a good achievement. So as well as we would like to congratulate the district team who worked very hard, and all the political parties, they participated very properly, very peacefully, and the entire election process has been completed very smoothly. So we have during mock drill only one VVPAT was replaced, and after the start of actual poll, total 3 BUs, 3 CUs and 6 number of VVPATs were replaced in 5 number of polling stations. So we already shared the data related to the seizures etc. during the campaign period. So total seizure what happened during this by poll, so it was 12,72,000 till poll day. So out of which cash seizure is 1.79621 lakhs, liquor values 3,09,945, drug and narcotics valued 2,40,000, and freebies and other items 5,42,048. So this is the overall figures we have. So we all thank the media and all the stakeholders, first of all the voters, the district team for their very smooth management and very peaceful conduct of this campaign. No, it will not come down.
It will go up. After the final
They have to
campaign.
just match with the presiding officer's diary, etc. So then only the final figure they will upload in the. Meghalaya has a trend of very high voting during assembly elections, and it is history in the past also. And in the by-polls, there are the all focus from all political parties side on that particular constituency where by-poll is happening. So we see the larger turnout from the voter side. We have not found any serious model code of conduct violation. 1 or 2 incidents are there, and that has already been taken care by the concerned authorities, and say appropriate action has been taken. So far we have not come across any such image.
So those scissors sits when?
So since MCC,
The last time that you see.
so all the things actually it is a rolling reporting. So timing etc. I don't have. We have the complete figures. The overall seizures till today.
So like in the campaigning period, some videos also went viral about some MDCs distributing money. So any inquiry, any action into that particular?
Whatever, and it has been properly taken care, and matter has been. I told ki appropriate action has been initiated in all such kind of
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.